laxative. Shit. How many pieces should I take? Because I be that whole thing.
Oh, sorry.
Just eat the whole box.
No, I wouldn't do that.
No.
You said like 1 or 2.
It should tell you. Let's see. Right here. Adults and children 12 years of age and older chew 2 chocolate pieces once or twice daily.
Oh, thank
You take the
saved
whole
me.
box, honey. You gonna stay when they come out.
I just ordered me a large Coke. Cause you know your girl like Coke. And you're supposed to redo it. Okay. She took the laxative. She's not even at home.
She has I like for
I should have brought the charger for this. Cause I'm around 22%. But yeah.
It's on 97.1. Why the fuck it keep changing? Every time I get back, are you vlogging?
Yes.
Hello, y'all. No, but every time I get back in the car, it's on 97.1. I don't want to hear that shit.
Family channel, remember. Well, y'all,
Jesus,
where we going?
we're going to Friendly Avenue,
Friendly Center?
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get there. Don't want to get copyrighted.
Macy's, guys, returning a bra. Well, I'm exchanging it.
Macy's their favorite.
Doesn't it look kind of like grainy-ish to you? I didn't notice
really.
it.
That's me.
It's spring.
What? Guys, they have my perfume. Smells so good. They always been like that.
We out here updating.
Just love Bath and Body Works, BBW.
BBW, you know what I'm saying?
Outfit of the day. Shirt is wing.
Okay, what you got on?
Some jeans, some Converse.
I'm looking lazy today. I got on a simp.
I love this song.
Some leggings, shoes.
Hand forever, never
Help
let you
me,
forget.
please.
Stinks so bad in here.
$10 the whole joint.
Let me see. Put it down. Ooh. Imani, what is your thoughts on the smell of this establishment?
It stinks horribly. They need to leave the candles burning for the public.
Okay.
Hallmark, do better.
A bird pooped on her finger. This is good. This is good footage. What do you mean?
Gotta go wash my hands. I don't even want this finger no more. I'm about to chop it off. Ow. That would cut me.
Okay, y'all, so we're going to Claire's. We just left out of, what was it called?
Accessories and more.
You're not even in the camera, but okay. Yeah, we just left there. They smelled much better than Hallmark.
Hallmark, that got better.
Yeah, I know, right?
You're just trying not to get hit
Yep, out
in
here
these
friendly.
streets.
About to hit up Claire's. Imani said that Claire's is called icing, but I never heard of that. So,
Like in the
if
mall?
somebody in the comments can inform me on when they start calling it that, I
Like
would
in the mall?
really much appreciate it.
It's not called Claire's anymore in the mall.
Well,
It's
I've always heard of Claire's, not icing. Heard of like icing on
Okay,
a
we
cake.
don't ask them. We don't ask the people
Okay.
in Claire's. They better let me use the bathroom.
They don't have no bathroom in Claire's, do they?
I should.
Well, let y'all know when we get in the store.
Aren't all Claire's called icing now? Almost all of them. They're actually two different. Yeah. I thought it was.
They're like partially, like pretty much the same, but we're not changing the name. It's just
Like
some
sister
icing.
companies?
Yeah.
Looking at us do your thing. Okay, so we are at Pier 1 Imports, and we're sitting directly in front of the window on the sofas. Mine's eating her Cold Stone, and it's wintertime.
I love ice cream in the winter.
Well, not really. It's
Comment
still
down
fall.
below if you do too.
No one likes that. Well, I kind of do, but I kind of don't. Oh my god, the light is so, like, bright.
Okay, try again.